In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix Gridlines. If you're ready to customize the layout of your Wix site and enhance your design precision, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through this simple yet impactful process. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account and head straight to your site's dashboard. This is your starting point for most customization tasks within Wix. Once you've logged in, you'll want to locate the specific site you wish to adjust. If you manage multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one, as changes you make will only apply to the site you are currently working on. After accessing your site's dashboard, look for the Design Site button. Clicking this will take you to the site editor, which is where you can carry out all sorts of creative tasks. It's important to note that the site editor is your gateway to styling, editing content, and managing your site's overall look. So, get comfortable with this area, as it will be your main workspace. Next, you'll need to navigate to the page that contains the image or the layout you wish to customize. Whether it's your home page or a specific landing page, simply click on the page from the left sidebar to bring it up. Remember, focusing on a single page ensures that all changes are made precisely where you intend them. Once you're on the desired page, you'll want to locate the Tools menu at the top right corner of your screen. The Tools menu in Wix provides quick access to various settings and features that assist in editing. It's a key feature when you're looking to refine the details of your design. Within the Tools menu, one of the options you'll find is the Gridlines checkbox. This checkbox is crucial as it enables or disables the grid lines on your page. Grid lines provide a guideline that helps ensure elements are aligned correctly, making your website look clean and professionally designed. To turn on the grid lines, simply check the box and you'll see lines appear on your editing page, which can help you align text, images, and other elements with precision. If the grid lines are cluttering your view or you no longer need them, you can just as easily uncheck the box to hide them. And there you have it. You've just learned how to enable or disable grid lines on your Wix site. Feel free to explore how this feature can make your design tasks easier and more precise. Thanks for following along, and remember to like and subscribe for more handy tips on conquering Wix site design. Happy editing!